Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am filming the long-awaited empty house tour. Now, if you have been following along our new little journey that we have been on, we have been building our house since last November. So we signed our contract in November. They started the whole build process in February time. I've been posting different videos along the way, so I will have them linked down below if you want to start from the beginning. I also have been documenting everything on my Instagram, so if you do not already follow me over there, please make sure to do so. I post way more often on there. It's a lot easier for me to update you guys than it is to make a YouTube video, so I will have that linked in the description box down below. As we go through this empty house tour, you will see a ton of blue tape along the walls and just all over the house. The reason being for that is we filmed this empty house tour after we did our demo walkthrough. So we went through the house, every single room, inspected all of the rooms, everything along the way to make sure that things would be fixed that last week before we close. Now, when this video goes live, I am not sure if we will be closed on the house yet or if it'll be after. So we close on August 20th, which is a Friday. We will be moving most of our boxes and things that we can fit in our cars on Friday after close. And then on Saturday, the 21st, we will be getting a U-Haul and moving all of the bigger stuff. Now, I will be filming the whole entire process for you guys. I'll set up the tripod and do a nice time lapse for you guys so you can see the process of us moving everything out and into the new house. The next week is going to be extremely busy with installs and deliveries and just unboxing and unpacking everything. But I am ultimately so excited because I get to start decorating our new home and really turn it into ours. I would love for you guys to write in the comments down below what kind of content you would like to see from me moving forward. This gives me a really good idea on what to film because I want to know what you guys want to watch. So make sure to let me know in the comments down below. Our kitchen is pretty much empty. These little things in the back are like some of the last things that we have in our house. Pretty much everything is packed up. We have boxes surrounding us, so I just cannot wait. We are 3 days away as of today for closing on our house. We are just over the moon excited. I am very happy and thankful for you guys being here and showing us all of the love and support. One of our reels on Instagram has almost 2 million views on it, which is absolutely crazy to me. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure to go check it out. I am also doing a giveaway over there for hitting 13,000 followers. So if you do want to see any of that stuff, make sure to go follow me on Instagram. Like I said, the link is always in the description box down below. And enough of me rambling. I hope that you guys enjoy this empty house tour, and let's go ahead and get onto it. So starting at the front door, as soon as you walk in, we have a little entryway area. I do have a table from World Market that I am going to be putting here, which I am so excited about. I obviously did not have a space for an entryway table here in the townhome that we are in, so I'm very excited to decorate that. As soon as you come to the right side of the front door, we have our guest bedroom. Now, this does have an ensuite bathroom, and this room does also have amazing light. You can see those two lights above the windows on the bottom. I absolutely love the lighting in this room. We did also get a barn door going into the bathroom, which is really nice. We will be adding one in our master suite, which you guys will see in a little bit. But this is the bathroom, nothing too special. We will be getting blinds on this window. They just weren't installed yet. For the tile, we just did normal square tiling with gray grout. And then it does have a pretty big closet in here. This is the only room that doesn't have an actual walk-in closet. Right across from the front guest room is a linen closet. Now, one thing you guys are going to notice in this video is that we have an insane amount of linen closets, which is honestly really nice. So this is the view from the front entryway, so you can kind of see the open layout of our house. Next up on the right side is our office area. We are so happy to have an office in our new house. We will be sharing this, so the right side will be Curtis's and the left side will be mine. Now, I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to set all of this up, but we are just excited to have something to where we can have our offices set up with our desks and computers and everything. Going across the hallway, this is where our hall bath or half bath is. We have yet another linen closet. And then right next to that is our bathroom. Again, nothing special, pretty small, but it'll just be nice to have a bathroom for guests that are visiting. Exiting the half bath, we have the view of our kitchen. Now, I haven't really posted a full picture on Instagram yet of our kitchen, but this is the grand reveal. Our kitchen is absolutely massive. We have a ton of cabinet space, which is great. As you can see, we went with the black and white theme, so we did do black appliances, white cabinets, white subway tile, and white countertops with black hardware. We did also do a black sink. That little cutout above the fridge, we are going to be putting some baskets up there. Our pantry is also really large, which is a lot different than the one that we have now. Unfortunately, they ruined our shelving, so that's why this looks all crazy. They needed to still get that fixed. Now, another question I've gotten a lot of over on Instagram is this window that is above the stove. So that is called a recipe window. Now, I think it's kind of unique to our builder that we went with, but I love that it lets in some more natural lighting in the kitchen area. Now I'm going to turn you guys around so you can see kind of an up-close view of my kitchen sink, which I'm so excited about, in our dishwasher area. Now, right next to the island, we will be putting our kitchen table, so right in front of the sliding glass door to go outside. And then this other area is our big living room, so we'll have our TV over there, our couch, and then I'm not really sure what's going to happen to the left side of that, but we shall see. So now heading over to the master suite, we have once again another linen closet, which will be great to keep like towels, and this is probably where we'll put like our medicines and stuff like that. So the master bedroom is a lot bigger than our current bedroom, so we are excited for that. It does have one window, but it still has pretty good lighting in it. I love the tray ceilings as well, which was included, which we absolutely love. So now coming to the bathroom area, I've mentioned this on my Instagram, but it does go to our bathroom, our closet, straight into the laundry room. We did go with the same theme of black and white in here. We did upgrade to the square sinks. We just think those look a lot better. We will be DIYing this whole bathroom, so we'll be taking out the mirrors and the lighting. Not sure when, but that will be happening. This is our shower. We decided to go with a pebble flooring. We have these giant windows in our shower, which lets in so much natural lighting, but we definitely will have to put some privacy film on these because we do have a house right next door. We also love that the switch to turn on the shower is on the right side, so you don't get like sprayed with water. And then we do have just a little bathroom as well. Next, going into our closet is pretty massive, which we are excited about. Definitely an upgrade from what we have right now. Nothing too special, just a typical master closet. Coming out of the master closet, we go straight into our laundry room. We do have a sink in here, which I'm so happy that we have. I've never had this, obviously, in our current home. This is such a big space to work with, so it's going to be a little hard for me to figure out what I'm going to do here, but hopefully we will figure something out. Now, this is right by our garage area, so we're going to do a mud bench here. This door right here leads out to our garage. We do have a 3-car garage. The 3rd car is kind of extended, which is also nice. So if you guys have any ideas for this laundry room, let me know in the comments down below. And then right here we have a coat closet, so if anyone comes over, we can hang coats. We can put all of our winter coats in there as well. And now it is time to head downstairs. So the first bedroom off of the stairs, we did have an issue with this. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what happened, but if not, we're just not going to talk about it. But This bedroom is put back together, thankfully. It's looking great. They did have carpet in when we filmed this, so we were really happy. They just need to fix the paint in this room. This will be my little niece and nephew's room, so they are so excited to decorate it. Heading right across the way, we have the bathroom for downstairs. So we do only have one sink in here. We did try to get two, but they didn't allow it, which was fine. This bathroom isn't going to be used too much. We did the same tiling as we did in the upstairs bathroom. And then this bathroom also, surprise, surprise, has a linen closet. Walking out of that bathroom, here is our massive, really open living area downstairs. We plan on kind of doing some type of movie theater type of setup. We do have this little kitchenette over here that came with the house that we'll be doing something with. We want to get a popcorn machine, an air hockey table, all of that good stuff. So we shall see what we come up with in this area. But back through here, there is another room. This will be a guest room for anyone who comes to visit. The nice thing about both of these bedrooms down here that I didn't mention in the other one is they both have really nice walk-in closets, so definitely great. There is a ton of storage in this house. I don't even think we can fill it up, which I don't even want to fill it up, but then moving back towards the back of the house, we have our storage room where we're going to do a gym. And then we have an unfinished room where we will be using that as our woodworking room, and that completes everything in our new house. So that is going to conclude this empty house tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed walking through our empty house with us, that you could see what it looks like before we fill it up with all of our furniture and decor. I would love to hear what your favorite part of the house was in the comments down below. And also, please let me know what kind of content you would like to see going forward. I would love to film the things that you guys would like to see. And again, if you are not following me over on Instagram, please make sure to do so. The link is always in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.